This method evaluates the coherence of parents' brief narratives regarding their children. Coherence is indicative of the quality of parent-child relationship and child adjustment.
FMSS coherence can be applied in the context of other close relationships, such as marital relationships, teacher-student relationships, and more.
The main advantage of this method is that it is time-effective and cost-effective compared to other interviews with parents.
Begin by escorting the parent into a quiet testing room. Then, administer the 5-minute speech sample coherence, or FMSS, as the first measure to collect from the parent. Turn on the audio recorder and tell the parent,
"So for the next 5 minutes, please tell me about your thoughts and feelings regarding your child. Please tell me what kind of a person your child is and how the two of you get along together."
Turn on the stopwatch to count down from 5 minutes once the parent starts speaking.
I can tell you he's usually a very nice boy. We get along really well, I think.
After the interview is complete, transcribe the FMSS audio into text. For each of the following coherence subscales, use plus or minus signs to mark segments that reflect the subscales positively or negatively. Based on these plus and minus signs, determine a score for each subscale according to the following guidelines.
For focus, assign a high score when the parent refers to the child and/or the relationship as a focal subject of the FMSS.
Assign a low score when the parent refers to other matters for the majority of the FMSS.